It hurts to think that a guy doesn't notice you when you like him. Luckily, you can get his attention and get on his radar. Wear a nice outfit, smile, and look him in the eye. Talk to him in a relaxed way to get his attention and show him more of who you are, which will make him more interested in you. You should also connect with him on social media to show him how great you are. 1. Catching his eye. Put on something that makes you feel great. It makes you feel good to wear something that makes you look better and gives you more confidence. Pick something that makes your best features stand out and fits your shape well. This will make him pay attention. You could wear pants and a button-up or form-fitting t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt, and a skirt or a cute dress. Don't stress about being in style. He will be more interested in how confident you are than what you're wearing. 2. Apply red lipstick if you usually wear makeup. People say that you don't have to wear makeup to get a guy, but red lipstick is a great choice if you do. Since guys think red lipstick is hot, it will make you look better to them. For an easy choice, go with a basic red. You could also match your red to the color of your face. If your skin is cool, wear a red with blue undertones. If your skin is warm, wear a red with orange undertones. If you don't like makeup, don't worry about putting on red lipstick. To get his attention, you should be yourself and not act like someone else. You should check with your school to see if you can wear makeup before you do. 3. Wear a unique scent to help him remember you. Smell can catch his attention and make an impact that lasts. Choose a scent that you like and that makes you feel good about how you smell. Then wear that smell every time you're with him. You could wear cologne, scented lotion, scented shampoo, or essential oils that have been watered down. 4. Make eye contact with him and smile for 2-3 seconds. Making eye contact with him lets him know you saw him. He'll know you might be interested if you smile too. On top of that, smile makes your face look better. Look him in the eye and smile every time you're with him. If you look at him for more than 3 seconds, he'll feel bad. 5. Use open body language to get his attention. Keep your arms at your sides and turn your body toward him. This lets him know you're open and at ease with him. If you want to feel more open, don't cross your legs or cross your arms over your chest. Do not turn away from him, as this will separate you from him. Wink at him as you pass him. Many guys like to flirt with winks because they don't need to say anything. Look at him, smile and wink every time you pass him. He will have to think about what the wink might mean while you walk away. You could also flirt with him by winking at him while you're talking. You can just act like the wink was a mistake if he's not interested. "I'm sorry," you say. "Something must be in my eye. I'm going to check in a mirror." 7. Brush against him or lightly touch his arm to break the contact barrier. Another great way to flirt with a guy without saying anything is to touch him. It makes him more likely to notice you and might make him want to touch you. You can just brush against him as you walk by if you're nervous. If you want to be brave, touch his arm lightly while you talk to him. Say something like, "Oh, I'm sorry," or "These halls are too narrow," when you touch him. You could put your hand on his arm and ask, "Do you know when our essay is due?" Or, "Can you tell me where the closest coffee shop is?"